through the process of doing a $0 order, or how a $0 order should be put into the system. For this purpose, I am going to use a fake company within Ground Support Worldwide magazine. You start by going into your pending orders, create or add new order. For items that have digital and print on them, you will need to use the template that is the combined template. You can use this template for all orders, it does not matter, but for the process of $0, you will need to be able to do the combined template. For this order, we are going to do a full schedule of print ads, and then I'm also going to add a full year's worth of online banner ads as well as added value. The order does need to be grouped. You can either group it here or you can group it after the fact. I will group the print ads here, and then I will show you after the fact how you can group them for the digital ads so that you can see both processes. You do not need to change the dollar amount here. We will change the dollar amount of the entire package after the fact and apply the discount to the entire order. For the purposes of this, we're going to say that the client and I had the conversation that they think that they are paying $2,000 per ad per month. You will need to put that in the notes field so that it appears on the order so that the client sees that. Show you what the print looks like for the order. I have not discounted the entire order yet, so here is the rate card order, but here is what the client would see on a monthly basis of $2,000 per ad for each of the issues that we picked. Next, we will add the digital orders. Do 10,000. At a $23 CPM rate. Again, you do not need to adjust any of this. The client does believe that they will be getting this for $0, so in the notes field I will put $0. You can also, if you'd like, put in there added value. I will select my run time. For all months. Now, I forgot to group these so that you can actually see them. If you do not group your orders all in A, it will actually separate them out and give a total. Because these are actually $0, you can go back into your orders and after the fact, click on all of your items that are not assigned a group. And group checked here and assign them to the same group as the print. Now you can see that all of them are grouped, and on the order you can see that the digital items are now added value. If you're like me, I like to have my print ads appear above my digital ads. This will appear in whatever order you put it into the system. So if you'd like your digital ads to appear first, put your digital ads in first, and vice versa. Now the total is still saying that it is $28,000, so I need to go back and I need to discount the entire order to the agreed upon rate of $20,000. So you click up here at discount order. I'm going to name it my added value. The total order will read $20,000. Now, what has happened to the insertion order on our end is you can see this field here where it says the net rate. It is now evenly discounted each line item as an allocation. So this is what is being allocated to each of the items that they were given. On the insertion order, the client simply sees $20,000 is what they owe, $2,000 in each month, with $0 added value for 10,000 impressions on the website. Your final step, because you will want them to be billed how you have explained it. In this case, we're going to set up billing so that they are billed $2,000 per month for their print ads. You simply add an installment, pick how many installments you would like, and create a bulk schedule. You are able to change these dates. It will evenly distribute your installments across the 10 months. If you would like to change that, you can. If, for example, the cost in March would have been $4,000 and these would have been $1,000 for the month instead, you can change that just as long as your invoice installments are 100%. You can also change the dates. So if this needs to be invoiced in December instead of November, you can change the dates on here as well. You then save that schedule, and you have now set up your invoicing for your schedule so that your client is receiving an invoice based off of what you actually agreed upon with them. Save and continue. My installments actually show up on my insertion order. That is something that can be set up on a per template basis. So just talk with your publisher and see how that has actually appeared. You then submit your order, and the process is the same as it has always been. Here's my $20,000 order.